Students, today we will study about common cold, which is one of the infectious disease. You can see that the pathogen looks like something like this. It is rhinoviruses. Rhinoviruses means viruses attacking on respiratory system. Now see, one thing we should keep in mind that in common cold, all the that part of the respiratory system except inside part of the lungs are affected. External nose, then internal nose, till the bronchus, but strictly lungs will not be affected in this. The pathogens are rhinoviruses, as I told you that viruses affecting respiratory system, and then it affects from external nose to the respiratory passage except lungs, and it is transmitted from one infected person to healthy through the droplet methods or by using the objectives, any objectives which the infected person is using. If it is used by any healthy person, he or she may have this infection. Droplet methods means when an infected person goes for sneezing or coughing, drops the pathogen into the air, and when a healthy person inhales that air during the respiratory system, inhales indirectly that pathogen also and starts suffering. So it is highly infectious. What symptoms comes if somebody is infected? The early symptoms is running nose. Then even sometimes mucus from the nose may also come, sore throat, hoarseness, then cough, tiredness, sneezing, loss of appetite. All these are symptoms which if anybody is suffering from common cold may have. Overall, the life cycle of rhinoviruses gets complete between 3 to 7 days. So automatically, our immune system, overcomes this problem, and the person is then again healthy. Means automatically it is get treated inside. But yes, it is highly infectious. That patient to healthy person, it may be transmitted through the droplet method, which is more prominent. So how to prevent it? Better proper hygiene conditions. We should maintain that. And while sneezing, coughing, to put a handkerchief, right? To avoid uh, company of a person like suffering from this common cold. So these are the few things through which one can prevent it.